Today we are making gluten-free ginger cookies inspired by one of my favorite authors, Julie Daniluk. These are nourishing with no nuts, no gluten, no eggs, no dairy, and no refined sugars. So let's get baking.
Julie Daniluk, who is a registered holistic nutritionist, has this amazing way of combining food with healing ingredients, and these cookies are the perfect example. Hi everyone, I am Masha, and thanks so much for joining me. We are starting with pumpkin seed butter. It's rich in zinc and healthy fats that help calm inflammation. Then ginger, one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory spices out there. For sweetness, I am using local liquid honey. It gives these cookies a soft, chewy texture, but you can make it vegan by using maple syrup. And for the flour blend, I am using my own gluten-free mix of tapioca, millet, and sorghum flours. Check out my other videos on my channel if you are interested in the blend. The dough will feel sticky, so just be prepared. Scoop about a tablespoon per cookie. It smells so amazing. I love that this recipe has no gums or fillers, just simple, wholesome ingredients like ginger and pumpkin seed butter.
So bake for about 13 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. They will be a bit soft when they come out, but they will crisp up quite nicely once they cool.
Look at the texture, golden on the outside, full of cozy ginger warmth. They are a bit on the denser side because of the pumpkin seed butter, but they are so addictive. You just want more.
So whether you're looking for a nourishing snack or something healthy to share with your family, these cookies are just so good. And Julie's recipes always remind me that food can taste amazing and be healing at the same time. So happy baking, and I'll see you next one. Bye.